Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the launcher you installed. This gets you into the interface where menus change. Once done, grant any permissions the launcher asks for so it can edit app icons and folders. Make sure to back up the current layout or take a quick screenshot for reference because you may want to revert. Now open the new launcher's settings panel and locate the app drawer or menu settings to begin customizing how apps appear and behave. Next, dive into the drawer settings to control organization and appearance. This is where the main work happens. Change grid size or rows to fit more icons and set alphabetical or custom sorting so you can find apps faster. Use hide apps or category tags to remove clutter and create folders by dragging one icon onto another for grouped access. If you prefer gestures, map swipe actions to open the drawer or search, so reaching commonly used apps takes one smooth motion. Finish by applying changes and testing the menu. Open apps, use search, and try folders to confirm behavior. This validates your setup. If something looks off, revert using your backup or reset the launcher settings to default because small layout conflicts are common. If the launcher becomes unstable, clear its cache and storage, then reinstall. That resolves most display or responsiveness issues. If problems persist, switch briefly to the system launcher to isolate whether it's the app or system-level conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.